What's up guys, Peter Kaczynski here. On this week's episode, we make a lot of mistakes. Yeah, this is the oil filter. If you think that I hit it with some buckshot, I didn't. Actually, this was the toughest thing I've ever seen stuck on a car. For some reason, Porsche, I guess it's Porsche now we're calling it, because I got some hate for calling it a Porsche, which is strange. But I could not get this thing off. I used everything from a actual oil filter wrench. I wasn't able to get one of those strap sockets on there, but I ended up reading something from Clark's Garage. Let me put this down. I read something on Clark's Garage to, when you're draining the oil, to which I got all over my driveway because I didn't expect. But so I read on Clark's Garage that if I pop a hole in it, a lot more of the oil is going to drain. So I did that. I popped the hole through it with a screwdriver right from the top, and I tried turning it and nothing was happening. So I put a big file through the top, trying to turn it like essentially like a flathead screw, and it just started to shred the can. And then from there, I was just in trouble. The thing started to shred. I started putting a big flathead screwdriver in it on the top to try to basically pry it right through one side through the other to start to turn it. Hopefully catch something, some sort of thread, and it didn't turn, it didn't work. So I just kept hammering at it, figured if I can remove the metal from the top, then I can get one of those tools to clamp one of the bolts from the bottom. I wasn't able to do that. The space is so tight. I removed the power steering reservoir, kind of did a little bit of cleanup in there, which I needed to anyway, but just to maximize my space. And then since nothing worked, what I did was I took a really long flathead screwdriver and I just started banging on the side, and as you saw in the video, it was a mess. It was a process. Everything was a process this week. And did it start? You're gonna have to find out on the next episode. I hope you enjoyed everything so far. I'll keep you guys tuned in. I'll try to keep making videos. Let me know what you think down below. Subscribe, hit the like button if you liked it. Comment below, let me know what you think. Did the car start? Did I flop? Let me know.